Hello, Mark Bonsavage. I'd like to purchase the vacant Pizza Hut building you have in Decatur, Georgia. A friend of mine sent this listing to me. Said, Luke, look at this. It's near the Publix, it's near the Kroger. Look at the traffic that's going by out front. There's a Wendy's right there on the corner. And he said, it's vacant. Check this out. You know who belongs in this building. You could do a deal here to make this building happen again. And so I started looking at it. My friend Alf has been talking to you. He's been asking questions. He's the one that sent me this listing. And I've been looking at it a couple different ways. I've been studying the data. I've been studying how much business is going on in the neighboring shops, how much traffic's going by. Where are those people going when they're going up the street, down the street, before they go to these shops and after they go to these shops? The same day, the same week, the same month. Where are they going? Where are they shopping? What brands are they going to that could fit this building that's not right here already? Could I take those shops, move them over here, set them up a new location, pay the bills, get it to happen, dress it up, change the color, change the brand, make it happen for them? I started seeing some similarities in the data. Know some of those tenants. I can talk to them. I talked to them before. I've done deals with them before. I'd like to offer them this building and offer them the finance to make it their brand, their color, and their shop to expand their footprint going forward to this new location. So as a part of this offer that I'm sending you, I'm asking you for some time to let me talk to those guys. Let me talk to them and present this shop to them, show it to them, offer them the financing to make it theirs. If you're willing to take an offer like that, please take a look at my offer. Proof of funds is along with it. In this video, I'll tell you a little bit more about myself. My name's Luke Smith. I love studying data. I love doing real estate deals. I've bought and sold properties all over the place across the country. I started with really small dollar properties. I've been working my way up over time. Been buying different properties closer to town, better properties, more traffic, more deal flow, more accessibility, lots of better properties in lots of different ways. And one of the portfolios I bought along the way was some high traffic retail property. And I got stuck. I couldn't figure it out how to make that land work until I had a tenant for it. And I think that's where your building is now. You've got a vacant building that needs a tenant. And when you have the right tenant for it, then it sings, then it's ready to go, then it'll dance. And so I want to introduce the right tenant to this building and finance it, bridge the gap between vacant building and building paying rent, and go make it happen. So if you're interested in that, take a look at that offer that I've sent along with this. That's what I'm asking for the time for, is to talk to those tenants, get the right tenant to happen. And when one of them's ready to go, I'd like to pay you and close with you as fast as I can and go work it out with them from there. You can look me up on social media in lots of different ways, YouTube, TikTok, and others, and see all kinds of comments, questions, and things, people that I've bought land from and done deals with, and I've sold land to, vacant land, vacant buildings. Take a look at my history. You can also look me up on realvacantland.com. You see 1,000+ properties I've done business on there. You can look them up in county records. You can see me in the public records buying, selling these things, lots of different ways from that know these kinds of deals. Do it through brokers, but you can still see them in county records by looking up a lot of the same address and the same names and addresses. If you're interested in the data for these kinds of trades, please take a look at the link that's in the description below. It takes you back to my little community on the internet where you can meet a bunch of other like-minded people that like to do deals on these kinds of vacant properties and figuring them out. We share contacts, we share angles, we share data sets, we share lots of things and learning from each other. I learn a lot by teaching. If you're interested in what I have to teach, please take a look at the schedule on there. I do live free webinar talks and answer questions and I teach. I learn a lot by the questions that people bring in and ask me, and that means a lot to me. So I keep doing those. So if you're interested in that, please check that out. If you're interested in financing my kinds of properties or ones that are up and going and paying rent with a big name tenant, 10, 15 year plus timelines that they should be paying rent out into the future, let me know. My contact information is on ruralvacantland.com. Feel free to reach out to me. I've got properties in different phases of development that might be right for you. And I'd like to tell you about them and see if there are ones that you'd like to take off my hands or be invested in with me along the way. For this particular property, proof of funds is included with the offer. Ready to pay for this one? Let me know. If you like this offer, if you have questions, please feel free to get back to me. My contact information is included. Thanks for listening. Bye.